Ang tanong ko sa NGCP, did the IPO proceed?
Your Honor,
No, sagutin mo muna, Attorney Malyari. Did the IPO proceeded?
may interlocutory, Your Honor.
No. Tanongin mo muna, yes or no lang, tapos saka mo explain. Did the IPO proceeded?
Templated under...
Wait. Hindi tayo magkakaintindihan hanggang hindi mo muna sinasagot ang aking katanungan. Did the IPO proceeded? Yes or no?
As contemplated in the order, hindi po. And if I may explain.
Hindi.
Kaya, so can we allow the NGCP to finish? Because if we keep on interjecting, we don't have the whole defense of the NGCP.
Mr. Chairman,
so I'm asking that, Mr.
Chairman,
Kasi so many times,
I'm questioning the resource person.